What clothes are you wearing?
I am wearing a t-shirt. He is wearing trousers. She is wearing a dress. It is wearing a hat. They are wearing shorts. We are wearing jackets. Now you try. Well done!